Before we dig deeper into the present simple, there are two things that you need to know about any English tense. The first thing is the use. When do we use this tense? And the second thing is what will happen to the verb in this tense. So again, there are two things that you need to know about any English tense. The use, when do we use this tense, and what will happen to the verb in this tense. When do we use present simple? We use present simple to talk about facts and habits, or actions that happen on regular basis. So again, when do we use present simple? We use present simple to talk about facts and habits or actions that happen on regular basis. Let me give you an example, and from this example you will figure out what will happen to the verb. Adam go to school every day. Adam go to school every day. This action, did it happen in the past or it happens on regular basis? It happens on regular basis because I said every day. So it's gonna be Adam goes to school every day. Another example, but instead of saying Adam, I'll say they. So does this action happen on regular basis or not? Yes, it says 3 times a week. It means that it happens on regular basis because I said 3 times a week, and here I said every day, so it happens on regular basis. So which tense am I going to use? I'll use present simple. So it's going to be they. So from these examples, what will happen to the verb in the present simple? The verb will either take an S, it will be like this, verb and then an S, or the verb only. So when do I add an S to the verb? When I don't add an S to the verb. If my subject is he or she or it or any singular subject, if my subject is any of these, I will add an S, like here. Adam here, it's singular, right? Has one person. So this is why I added an S to the verb. What about the verb only without adding an S to the verb? If my subject is I, we, you, or they, or any plural word. So if my subject is I, we, you, or they, or any plural word, the verb will not take an S. It will stay as it is, like what I did here. I said they study. I did not add anything to the verb because here my subject is plural, and this is the present simple because it happens on regular basis. So this is why I did not add anything to the verb. What if I want to say not? Not in the present simple. How can I say not in the present simple? You're going to use doesn't or don't. So the same exact examples. If I want to say Adam not go to school, how can I say it? It's going to be Adam doesn't go to school every day. All right. What if it was, if I want to say that they not go to school every day, so it's going to be they don't go to school every day. All right. So let's recap the tense quickly. When do we use present simple? We use present simple to talk about facts or habits, or to talk about actions that happen on regular basis. It means it happens consistently. There are some keywords that might help you to figure out that this is present simple. These keywords are any word that shows that this action happens on regular basis, like when I say always, when I say sometimes, when I say usually, when I say 2 times a week, 3 times, 4 times a week, a month, a day, every anything, like every month, every day, every Friday. So as long as you're doing the action on a regular basis, you're going to use present simple. What will happen to the verb? Sometimes the verb will stay as it is. I won't add anything. Sometimes the verb will take an S. Depends on my subject. If my subject is plural or I, we, you, they, the verb will not take an S. If my subject is he, she, it, or any singular subject, the verb will take an S.